Ever wondered how to create your own AI bot? Well, it's less of a mystery than you might think. Today, we'll delve into the steps to turn this tech dream into reality. First off, it's crucial to define your bot's purpose and audience. Consider the why behind your bot. What tasks will it perform? Who will it serve? Is it a customer service assistant for your online store or a playful companion for children? The clearer you are about your bot's purpose, the more effective it will be. Next, choose your development path. There are two main roads here: no-code platforms and coding platforms. No-code platforms are user-friendly, offering drag-and-drop interfaces and pre-built templates. They're perfect for beginners and non-technical users who want to create a bot in a snap. However, these platforms may limit customization, and their feature set might not be enough for highly complex bots. On the other hand, coding platforms provide unparalleled flexibility and control. They're ideal for experienced developers aiming for custom solutions and advanced AI capabilities. But keep in mind, this path requires programming knowledge and may take longer to develop. Now, on to the heart of your bot, the conversational flow. This is where you map out the interaction between your bot and its users. Start by identifying the user's intent. What information are they seeking? What actions do they want to perform? Then, design the conversation paths and write engaging dialogues. And don't forget to prepare for the unexpected. Design error handling mechanisms to keep the conversation flowing, even when misunderstandings occur. To wrap it up, creating an AI bot involves defining your bot's purpose, choosing a development approach, and crafting the conversational flow. It's a journey that requires clarity, technical decisions, and creative dialogues. But with these steps, you're well on your way to bringing your own AI bot to life. So why not start today? The world of AI awaits your unique contribution.